Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you exactly how to change the mobile number associated with your Tabby account. First, open the Tabby app and log in using your current credentials. Navigate to your profile section. Next, look for Personal Details or Account Settings. You should see your current mobile number listed here. Then, tap on the mobile number field. If you can edit it directly, enter your new UAE mobile number. However, for security reasons, you often cannot change this yourself in the app. After that, if you cannot change it directly, you'll need to contact Tabby support. Go to Profile Help and Support, contact us. Explain that you need to update your registered mobile number. You'll likely need to verify your identity, so have your Emirates ID ready. Tabby support will guide you through their verification process to update your number. Once updated, all OTPs and notifications will go to your new number. If this process worked for you, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.